Hello there. I'm back with my Underwood Portable, and I managed to fix the ribbon spindle thingy, which was missing. Luckily, I had an identical part from another machine. So here's what was happening. This entire round piece and spindle was gone, and it's supposed to be held in place by a screw here, which was also missing. And the tough thing about this repair is that screw is not easily accessible inside the machine because it's just blocked by a bunch of parts. And to remove the entire ribbon assembly would require disassembling the machine more than I really wanted to, because it's held in place by a couple of screws that you can't get to because they're blocked by the cover plate. And the frustrating thing about the Underwood 3-bank is that the cover plate is difficult to remove. It's held in place by screws that you can only get to from the inside, and some of them are just blocked by too many parts. But luckily, I didn't have to go that route because I was able to use forceps and hold the screw in place. And as I held it, I used a skinny screwdriver to get to it from underneath at kind of a weird angle, but I was able to get it to reattach, so that's good. So hopefully when I get the ribbon spools back in place, it will be fully functional.